Before this video starts, I actually want to mention something about the audio quality of this video. The audio quality is not as good as in my other videos when I record the screen on my phone. So videos that have the screen recording off the phone, I'm not able to actually use a professional microphone. I'm only able to use the built-in microphone of my phone. So there might be a little bit of extra noise problems, a little bit of extra outside noise. I'm sorry about that. I'll try to keep it to a minimum. Anyway, I just wanted to explain that. Now, okay, once you have your account created and once you have your screen name set, the next thing is you've got to import your friends because this is the first source of activity. So on the top left, you see a little man icon with a little plus. Let's click that. And we're going to go into the settings where you find contacts and find your friends. So obviously I don't want to show my contact lists because I don't know if those people want to be shown here, but you would go through that and you would literally go through all your contacts and invite them to be friends. Not to mention that you will also directly go to your Facebook, to your Twitter, and post, hey guys, I just made a new account on TikTok at so-and-so, and please follow me on TikTok. So importing your friends, you see, I haven't done that because I don't want to bother my friends with my music too much, more than I already do, and my business things because, they're my friends and my business is my business. So I kind of want to keep it separate just because I don't want to annoy my friends. But if you are open to inviting your friends, that is a fantastic advantage because a lot of people these days, they have hundreds and hundreds of people on social media, and you'll be surprised now, a lot of your friends will be on TikTok, and guess what? A lot of them will be struggling to get followers, and they'll be happy to follow you and you follow them. So they are going to be your initial source of likes, followers, all that. And when you post new videos, those videos are going to have initial life, which is going to show the TikTok algorithm to, hey, maybe promote you higher in the hashtags and so on and so on. So this is a way to start building up your audience literally from scratch, literally not only on day one, but like on hour one. This is one of the immediate things you should do right after you set up your account.